I tell you what's been on my mind? Sick and tired of the 9 to 5 in the city light. Hey darling, we could get out of town.
Darlings, welcome to my Darlings family. I'm Shemitane and Monday. I go by the name of Mrs. Nimana on all my social media platforms. Please like, comment, subscribe and share, and most importantly, please don't skip the ads, otherwise you guys already know. I just came back home from the gym. We went to the gym but I didn't vlog, mainly because of it was my first day after a very long break. Guys, break, I do not recommend. It felt like Zange Kengi at all. I felt so unfit. So right now I am promising myself to be consistent, because what was that? Being careful every now and then. But that's not the point. I just wanted to welcome you guys into this vlog. It's a Thursday and in the morning I did coffee and what is that? That's when I picked up my camera actually. In the morning, in breakfast, it was cookies. You guys saw that on the last vlog. So now, I just thought I should introduce this vlog here because of one thing about me, I forget to introduce vlogs. And then, this is not the content, but then, getting a sense. And yeah, I just wanted to introduce this vlog and say hi. Bye bye. It's Friday morning and we are stepping out of the gym. I'm gonna talk to you guys when I get home. I'm gonna shower and then start my day. Hey darlings, I just finished with my house chores. And then right now I want to take out this wig so that I can wash it, and now this is I have 2 more that I need to wash and then take a bath. I need to take a quick shower. I'm using wet cotton wool to rub it. I am so over it. Oh, and we are out. It's so dirty. I need to wash it.
Are you the same? Are you the same? I'm an old school man. I only wanna fall in love once with an old school girl. When I know, I'll know. Hand in hand like.
Hey darlings, it's later in the day. The Friday. I'm stepping out. I'm going to Imachirin kunomnyanya. Makoti ngenisanga kwakhe. Yeah, makoti ngenisanga kwakhe. So that's where we're going. A family friend. We're going to help out. Last Kabamba Kona, she's coming to pick me up. She's on her way actually. So yeah, that's what I'm doing. I couldn't go install my hair because of I thought I needed to do laundry. So I did laundry instead of installation. I'm gonna try and do my installation tomorrow. At least nang vasileko because ngiyakuzonda kamreni washini. Yo, angithandi kuba newashini, so I thought, you know what, let me do laundry and then I'll do the hair tomorrow. I didn't need it anyways today. So yeah, that's where I'm headed to. I'm wearing mama ngiphindile. Anyway, bona thi uyayiqeda ke nje ngikunikelelele mara nje soyayifinisha. I'm wearing it cause ngiyo engimbethe kayi-1 esese right. The rest ziskune zonke and I'm not about to do washing. Like please, angifuni kwenza washing. And then I'm wearing a dress lela ngalikhethela mnganami. I'm wearing a long sleeve nje because I know we're gonna come back late. Yeah, let's go.
Solo batomele la magaza, amalanga batomele la magaza, batindombes ngeza magaza, ebangrara abantwana, batindombes ngeza magaza, mara magaza ngekona, akakekho magaza, indombes zihlale edlwaneni, mara zifumani na, nazi indombi zihlala zidakiwe.
Hey darlings, hey my favorite people. Oh guys, it's another day of this vlog. It's Saturday and ngisemnyanyeni elodini kunamasokana sikhabo Sylvia mngani ngamanami uwiselile, so ngize ngomanami ngi+1 basically, but then I'm not even a +1 because uSylvia is a family friend and nami ngitseni ngiphakathi nginenyiwe. Anyways, I just wanted to show face and welcome you guys into this vlog. There's nothing much. I just want to show you my outfit actually. Umkhala imvunulo bayishemi, you guys already know that. Like I don't wear any other beads except for imvunulo bayishemi. Umkhala imvunulo wangibona ngimbethe into emncamo, just know what it's from imvunulo bayishemi. Earrings, unfortunately they are from Estolo. I bought them eMutia. We don't know how to do these. Hoping to learn because mahle ngiyawathanda. They are beaded yin look macici apothelweko. We don't know how to do these, but we are hoping to learn. And then I'm worried. Oh, I did my own makeup, by the way, and I couldn't go install, guys. Oh, okay, Yazin, I'm talking about a lot of things at once. I couldn't go install because of Sabetwe's cat. And then Sabetwe is cat nje. If we knew ukuthi sokuthola kungakathomi ngabe ngilebile awa ngakhamba ngoinstalla, but then we thought amasokana izinto zekuseni vele kahle kahle sazi ukuthi amasokana izinto zekuseni, so laba delay nyana because now time is 11:30 yabo. ngalezi nkathi mele ukuthi sekuya vele sekunomnyakazo, but then anginamnyakazo as yet. I'm wearing this blanket from Ukok This blanket was launched last week Friday. Unfortunately I couldn't go because being birthday, guys, and I was invited and I so wanted to go, but then I'm wearing this dress, the green and blue dress from Tulis Empire. I got it ngomnyanya. Guys, do you remember umnyanya kamanam? On Friday I thought I was gonna wear this dress, but then isikhathi ngesibe khona yazi umnyanya na usekhenu nje nokugeza kuba ivela kancane ngiyadlala. But then yeah, I bought this dress thinking I was gonna wear it ekhaya ngomnyanya kamani on Friday, but I couldn't. So now I'm wearing it for the first time. It's from Tulis Empire, and then I'm wearing ama palms from Ubongiu. I'm gonna attach a picture on the site. I'm gonna try and take nice cute pictures so that because right now I'm sure you guys cannot see. Yabo? So yeah, I just wanted to show face. Let's go inside.
Lendlela umenze abamkhulu ngakhona. Ngiyathokoza mntwana mawazi ukuthi ujabulise kangangani. Mhla uthi ufuna ukukhamba nabo baba, uthatha indlela abo bankhulu neyenziwe ngumalungu. Namhlanje ubuyile. Umlayezo obuya kimi uthi qhubeka ngehlonipho yakho. Saduka sinawe wathola umuntu nami ngathola umuntu. Mara nangibona go ukubona saduka sabhalela na saduka sabhalela na wathola umuntu nami ngathola umuntu. Mara nangibona go ukubona saduka na sabhalela na wathola umuntu nami ngathola umuntu. Mara nangibona go ukubona namhlanje uvelelisa wena namhlanje saduka sabhalela umuntu nami ngathola umuntu. Mara nangibona go
Hey darlings, we are leaving. I didn't catch up with you guys throughout the day because we're busy, man. Right now we are leaving. I'm going home. See you guys tomorrow. Bye bye. Hey darlings, hey my favorite people, how are you guys? Let's go to Pretoria. Welcome to another day of this vlog. It's a Friday, guys. The last time I spoke to you guys was on weekend. My husband hasn't been feeling well, so hence I went MIA, but today he's seeing a doctor, hoping for good results. I'm taking him to the podiatrist in Ferry Glen. And yeah, so I just thought, you know what, let me introduce this day because I want to get a gift for my pretty little baby. My friend made me a mother again, guys. Ooh, I can't wait to meet my goddaughter. So I want to get her a gift. But umntwana ubona ngesipha. Sikhule sasinjalo ukuthi umntwana ubona ngesipha. So I want to get her a gift, but initially what I wanted to get was yabona izinto zogeza like zomntwana, you know, the foam bath, your baby oil, like a whole lot of shebangs, like I soft, isipha, ingubo, like a cozy blanket, your pajamas, you know. But then I'm thinking, oh my goodness, my friend is going back to Cape Town in a very short space of time, probably in a week now. And by getting all those things. So I'm thinking, you know what, let me just go to Woolies, get like a dress or a twin set or a baby grown or something just for Uting, and then give her a voucher so that she can get whatever she wants. Actually, not whatever she wants, what I wanted to get her, like Logan Kulmanga plus me, what I wanted to get her in Cape Town, because Mangela a whole lot of luggage unnecessarily, so it's best if I do a voucher and then bazakuthenga phambili. Yeah, I think that makes sense. So I'm just gonna get like a dress, a cute little dress, just to and then she's gonna get the rest in Cape Town. So for now, let me take a bath and then we go to Pretoria. See you in Pretoria, guys.
Investigator, Franz Matiba.
Sheet. So you're going to use this twice. First,
Come on.
Not gonna say anything. Next. Yes, please.
Really, ranchero.
Cappuccino.
Oh, cappuccino.
Ranchero again.
Oh, it's an omelette. So, ranchero cappuccino. Okay.
Blueberry muffin for me.
Huh?
Blueberry. Hey darlings, I'm going to do my installation. Almost there. Yeah, I'm there. Kabunga na mutato.
say. I'm an old school man. I only wanna fall in love once with an old school girl. When I know, I'll know. Hand in hand like left, right, oh. Bonnie and Clyde, you can have whatever you
Lately, my thoughts got me twisted. Darker days filling up darker minds. Stuck in this room that keeps spinning, wondering how you been, where you hide. Late night drinking, wishful thinking. What if you were here? Morning waking, heart still aching. Something about the way you make me feel. I don't wanna mess up your night. I don't wanna put up a fight. I don't wanna trouble you, babe. But I gotta say, I don't wanna waste no more time trying to shake the feelings inside. Finally got made up my mind. Can't go one more day without you. No. Lately there's something that's missing. Empty bed doesn't feel empty hearts. Typical me reminiscing. A memory doesn't heal open scars. Late night drinking, wishful thinking. What if you were here?
Hey my favorite people. Welcome to a new day. It's a Saturday. I'm outside Kwakokunosinki. We are here to look for accessories. I have a client, an emergency client at that I'm dressing tonight. So I need to get accessories in Funukumbatisa Zona and then Uzozuzlanda today. That's what we're doing basically today. And then I have another client that is coming for a fitting. So also want to take out this hair. I have a campaign that I need to shoot today. Umganam umfisharile guys. Utemsil umfisharile. We have a Ganye campaign that we need to shoot. That I need to shoot. Actually, she already shot hers. That I need to shoot today and post tonight. So kuning giwan. Let's go inside, guys. I'm taking you guys with me. I want you guys to see the amazing beadwork Ukoknosinki ayenzayo. I'm hoping she's here because she had a radio interview in the morning. Nekokos FM. I'm hoping she's here because I didn't even do appointment. Let's go inside, guys. Let me go see my gogo. Hello. Ninjan. Gogo gone.
Metangam swan. Metangam swan. Singam. Ay, minang tinoy manyathelo uma.
Then bese nalo siyakukhambisa.
Nongethenga lapha. Awu mabuto, fana. Njani? Yeah, nasi message yang to.
Ngizothole nginamanamba ngikufonela sokumbustisa nama-flavor njani.
Yeah, good right.
Thank you. Did you say thank you? You should.
Hey, darling, can I tell you what's been on my mind? Sick and tired of the 9 to 5 in the city.